don't want to spend much time. Welcome everybody. I think the action is not inside the room, action is outside the room. Yeah, I think you can hear the sound. This property, Star Drive, we have developed 3 years and its experience with the consumers. I think you have to feel it. It's very difficult to tell it over the microphone. So all journalists welcome. And before we go to the real field, I think Farhan has already experienced the G-Wagon, one of the best SUVs in the world. He has seen all the AMG range, the C63. So how was it, Farhan?
I think as Mr. Mitra is saying, it's very, very important. If you get a chance, please go out and experience it for yourselves. It really is something that has... I'm feeling excited. I feel like a schoolboy. I don't know how else to put it. I'm so, impressed, but not surprised because, of course, this company is always known to be ahead of everything else. So that's not surprising at all. But really to experience it like this and see what all these cars can do is, it's really making me feel very, very excited about having one myself. I think when you can get a chance to maybe go out and I don't know, push some certain kind of limits within your understanding of what is courageous and what is brave. And now that in all honesty, although I have been driving this car now for a couple of months, I really did not know that it could do all this stuff that I've actually seen it doing today and have experienced it doing today. So it's an educational process for me to have learned this. So now I know that next time when I take this car and I go somewhere that it's possible for me to do more. So if now the car allows you to be able to do that, then you'll keep pushing it further and further. So it was great learning for me today actually about the car that I drive.
I'm sure. I think the Farhan's new look and this new upcoming whatever promotions they are doing, I think we have seen him. I think we are all very excited, and so is he about the new ML and the new G-Wagon. So I think this is a lot to get from Mercedes-Benz. And 2012, the year is almost getting over, and from 2013 we will be having a series of product launches, and we confidently feel that 2013, almost every month there will be something new coming up from Mercedes-Benz. I think our customers and our well-wishers are looking forward to that. And as you know, that it's not only the the B, we have coming up with a lot of new series of launches in 2013, and to start off will be the G. So the current G and the new Opta start from G from January, the G63. So off from our side, and I would see from the media side any questions to us or to Farhan, and then we go off for the rides.